Alright, this video is for number 16 of your review. We're going to write a polynomial function of least degree that has real coefficients -3, 4, and I as zeros, and a leading coefficient of 1. So we're going to go ahead and cross out a few things. Write a polynomial function. You really just need to know that the zeros are -3, 4, and I. You don't really need to know that. Okay. So what they're telling us is x equals -3, x equals +4, x also equals I. And the thing that you have to remember is imaginary numbers always come in pairs. Remember, I is just the square root of -1. So when you take the square root of something, it's also negative. So you need that plus or minus. So if they give you a negative I, you need to make sure you add in that positive I. So this is the thing that I had to add in because they always come in pairs. It's always plus and minus. So what I want to do is now go ahead and change these into factors by changing the signs through. If it's negative, we'll put +3. Since it's +4, we'll put -4. We're trying to figure out what, if x equals 4, okay, how would I reverse it so that x plus or -4 equals 0, okay? So here, x minus I and x plus I. Now, with imaginary numbers, you always want to go ahead and FOIL those out first, and then you want to FOIL out the other ones with the real zeros. So I'm going to FOIL these two out. I get x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. Over here I have x squared plus ix minus ix minus I squared. Okay, just to clean up a few things, this is x squared minus x minus 12. Over here, the two middle terms cross out. The negative I squared, remember, I squared is -1, so -1 is really +1. Okay, the last thing that we have to do is go ahead and FOIL out this. Okay, so I'm going to distribute x squared out first, and then I'll distribute +1 second. So x squared out to this trinomial. Okay, and I'll do that over here. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times -x is -x cubed. X squared times -12 is -12x squared. Second part, we go ahead and distribute 1 out. Remember, anything times 1 is itself. So I'm just going to get x squared minus x minus 12. I'm going to add these two together. X to the 4th minus x cubed. -12x squared plus 1 gives me -11x squared minus x minus 12. And that's my answer. The only thing I need to put in front is f of x equals. Okay, so my final answer is going to be this polynomial, and that's it.